Who is your role model and why?
My role model is Jose Rizal because he's from my province, Laguna. Jose Rizal has the values of respect, integrity, and humility. And these values I can do these values by treating everyone with kindness and respect. Because I believe that if you've done something good for the community, then your presence will be worth it. Thank you.
This. Who or what do you think is the problem of the Philippine tourism and how can we solve it? What do you think is the problem of Philippine tourism and how can we solve this?
As a Ginoong Pilipinas candidate, one of the problem of Philippine tourism is improper waste disposal. So we all know, especially in the most visited places like Boracay and Palawan, and a lot of waste are being seen on each and every corner of this tourist spot destination. We need to be responsible as an individual Filipino to have a better future. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ginoong Nueva Vizcaya. Inspired you to join Ginoong Pilipinas.
I'm standing here tonight to conquer my fears and imperfections. That's why I'm standing here tonight to show that no one should live in darkness and in fear. And as a Ginoo, I want to shed light and hope and inspiration to all. Thank you!
Beautifully said, that was Ginoong. What qualities do you think a Ginoong Pilipinas should possess?
There are a lot of ways that we can consider for a person to be a true Maginoo. A Maginoo is someone who knows how to respect, how to love, and how to show integrity to everyone else. A Maginoo is also someone who can share love and acceptance, also the importance of authenticity. A Maginoo can also be a woman, a man, and even regardless of your gender, you can be a Maginoo. Because a Maginoo is someone who knows how to play an important role as a person and a human being in this world. Thank you so much.
What is the most important lesson you have learned in life so far?
The most important lesson that I have learned in my entire life is never give up. Being a breadwinner is not easy for me. I have to overcome a lot of things. It takes about responsibility, courage, and patience. So I don't want to give up and take resiliency and optimism in life and smile, stand up, smile as if nothing has happened, because we are Filipinos. We are born to conquer our problems. Thank you.
That was my last city. How do you define true masculinity?
True masculinity is someone who is a pro. He is passionate, relatable, and obliging. He's ready for the opportunity and challenges that comes his way. And also, he is dedicated to the passion that he has instilled in himself. As a public servant, in my community, I am the true representation of masculinity because I always put priority on the things in my community, especially to the people. And he's obliging. He always makes sure that his presence have an impact to this world and to community. And I would like to end my statement by saying, embrace the unknown, because you'll never know what lies ahead. Thank you so much.
How do you balance your personal life with your responsibilities as a pageant contestant? Once again, how do you balance your personal life with your responsibilities as a pageant contestant?
I think balancing personal life and a pageant takes a lot of courage and resiliency. As a Katandunganon who came along from an island, we value so much resiliency, and this aspect will provide me to balance personal life and my pageant journey, because at the end of the day, the experiences and the journey that I will be going to experience will motivate and give confidence in me that no matter what, I could be able to progress in life and be successful. Thank you so much.
Chris, what do you believe is the biggest challenge facing young men today?
For me, the biggest challenge young men facing today is the lack of knowledge for their cultural heritage. Most men today enjoy partying and other things, but they don't know what their culture heritage is about. So being here as a Ginoo is not just a title, but to be an inspiration to the Filipinos to stay true to our identity, to our culture, stay proud to our heritage, always appreciative of our arts, and highly esteemed of our tourism. Because I believe that ang Ginoong Pilipinas is the Philippines personified. Daghang salamat.
Ito medyo naririnig-rinig ko rin ito sa pageant. Parang ano to, this is quite a familiar question. It goes like this. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why?
If I give it a chance to have a dinner, historical is Jose Rizal. I choose Jose Rizal because I want to talk to him about our generation. Honestly, I am part of generation of Gen Z, and I am sure about that our Gen Z today is still focused on social media and everything. And now generation is lot of young men today or youth are lack of education. So I want to dinner with him to discuss about this because the generation today is being lack of education. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Red. How would you use your title to positively impact your community?
I think the first thing that I would do is to invite everyone to embrace their own culture again. I'm an Igorot. I'm still part of the indigenous tribe, and a lot of people still sees us and discriminates us. So if I were to win the title, I would invite everyone to be in touch with their own culture, to be in touch with their own heritage. Because we are not only promoting the Philippines that way, but we are promoting ourselves as Filipinos. And I believe I am that person because I am a Ginoo that has a voice to be heard, an action to be seen, and most importantly, a spirit that can be felt.